Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra with clay. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a good quality sculpting clay, preferably an oil-based one that won't dry out quickly. Also, grab a cutting wire, a few different shaping tools, and a smooth surface to work on. Make sure your area is well lit and clean, ready for some creative sculpting. This preparation ensures a smooth start to your project. Now, let's start shaping the Supra's iconic body. Begin with a solid block of clay, roughly the size you want your finished model to be. Carefully carve out the basic silhouette, paying close attention to the Supra's unique proportions, like its long hood and compact rear. Use reference photos to guide your cuts and ensure the overall shape is accurate. This foundational step is crucial for a recognizable model. With the basic shape established, it's time to add the finer details that bring your Supra to life. Carefully sculpt the wheel arches, side skirts, and the distinct front and rear bumpers. Then, move on to the smaller, intricate elements like the headlights, taillights, and window frames. Take your time to smooth out any rough edges or imperfections using your blending tools. This refinement stage truly makes your clay model shine. For the final touches, step back and examine your clay Supra from every angle. Make any last adjustments to ensure symmetry and refine the overall form. If you wish, you can apply a clear sealant to protect your hard work and give it a professional, finished look. This step helps preserve your detailed creation for years to come. Also, for more great deals and the link to grab some Little Trees black ice, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.